Auto repair is a grind, but is the friction coming from engines or something else? If Apex Auto looks a little too familiar, it might be time to look at the tools you're using to drive the day.
I'm so sorry, sir. I know I have that Ford ticket here somewhere. Please, just stay on the line for 1 second. Where is that damn ticket? I don't have time for this.
Dave? Dave? You gotta be kidding me.
What up with that Ford?
It's not going anywhere. Those parts are back ordered and won't be ready till Thursday.
Great, just great.
There has to be a better way to do this.
Thousands of shops like Apex Auto have moved from surviving the day to owning the workflow with TechMetric.
Inspections sent. Parts ordered. Moving to the Altima.
Record ARO this month.
Have a good night, Sarah.
It's 5:05. See you tomorrow, Mike.
The right tools don't just fix cars, they free up time to make your customers happier and your shop more profitable. Take our shop readiness quiz to see if TechMetric might be right for you.